Good evening, Global Pulse viewers. I'm John Weathers. Tonight, a major controversy has erupted at one of America's oldest soup makers. Campbell's is under fire after a shocking leak that claims its iconic chicken soup might, allegedly, contain 3D printed chicken. Here's what we know. What's going on? The uproar began when a former employee of Campbell's filed a lawsuit. In the court filing, and via a secretly recorded meeting, an executive at Campbell's, Martin Bally, the company's VP of IT, allegedly said the chicken used in their soups came from a 3D printer. In the recording, the executive reportedly described the company's canned soups as food for poor people and called them bioengineered. That's a serious claim. A 3D printed meat, or lab-grown bioengineered chicken, would mark a radical departure from traditional poultry sourcing. In response, Campbell's issued a statement flatly denying the claims. The company says none of their soups contain lab-grown, bioengineered, or 3D printed meat. Instead, they insist the chicken comes from reputable U.S. suppliers that meet USDA standards. They added that the remarks were made by an IT executive, someone with no involvement in food sourcing or production, and described the recording as inaccurate and absurd. As of now, the executive in question has been placed on leave while Campbell's investigates. On the surface, it's about trust and transparency. People consume canned soups assuming they're made from familiar, farm-raised chicken, not lab-grown, 3D printed meat. If the allegation were true, it would shake consumer confidence. But there's a wider undercurrent. Fears and misconceptions around lab-grown or engineered meat are widespread. While food tech firms are exploring cultured meat, many people remain skeptical or uneasy about what bioengineered actually means. The 3D printed claim triggers those anxieties sharply. Hype aside, even some companies have experimented with cultured or printed meat substitutes. But as of now, Campbell says they are not among them. The lawsuit continues. The former employee claims he was fired for raising concerns after hearing the alleged rant. The case could, depending on the outcome, force Campbell's to open its operations to public scrutiny, or spur industry-wide calls for stricter transparency in food sourcing. For now, Campbell's says its soups remain unchanged and safe, but the allegations have already stirred public debate, from food safety to corporate ethics, racism, and workers' rights. Global Pulse will keep following this story and bring you updates as they develop. If you're a Campbell's lover or simply concerned about what's in your bowl, this one's for you. I'm John Weathers. Stay informed. Stay empowered.